voices of defiance. The winter of Mehabade grew heavier with each passing day. Snow blanketed the rooftops, while smoke from burning villages stained the horizon. The Iranian army pressed closer, and fear gripped every street. Yet, in the heart of the city, the people gathered in the square, seeking strength not in weapons but in words. Qazi Mohammed climbed onto a wooden platform. His figure was calm yet unyielding, snowflakes resting in his beard. Around him stood weary families, elders clutching children, and fighters with rifles across their backs. His voice rose, clear against the cold air. Do not despair. This republic is not a gift of kings or empires. It is born of the courage of our people. If we bleed, it is so that our children may know freedom. If we fall, let the world remember that the Kurds stood with honor. The crowd stirred. Some cried out, "Long live Kurdistan," while others wept quietly, pressing their hands to the frozen ground as if to hold the land itself. Kaka Rashid, leaning on his cane, whispered to those nearby that unity was their last shield, the only force that could outlast the storm. Among the fighters, a young warrior raised his voice. "We are ready. Qazi's us, and we will fight to the last breath." Qazi's gaze softened, yet remained steady. Bravery is not measured by how long we fight, but by refusing to bow. A nation dies only when its spirit dies, and our spirit will never kneel. That night, as torches lit the narrow streets, the people of Mehabade carried,